is going on? You know this is, it's AlTone, and welcome to another absolutely fantastic day. And today, I'm sitting at my desk, and the reason why is because I shot some video as I was out flying my, Tinyhawk 2 Freestyle. I did actually record and I just wanted to share with you. So I know it's been a little bit. I plan on doing some more reviews. I've got a ton of stuff to do reviews on as I have time here soon, but I did want to share this with you today. It's been a little bit since I updated or threw up another video, and hope you enjoy it. Love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. And with that, let's get to this video. And I've picked the perfect day. Now it's hot. It's extremely hot out here today, but essentially I've got a good day to fly, and I will be flying the Tinyhawk Freestyle. I love this drone, and I've been flying it regularly, and the reason why you have not seen video from me as I've been flying is because I don't have my Part 107 yet. And I'm actually working on getting my Part 107 as we speak so that I can share video, because I've been recording video from this drone as well as a couple others. I mean, all of my drones at this point, with the exception of one, they're all Emax drones. So I've been recording video, and I've come out here to this very place, and like I said, there's nobody really here. So it's a perfect day for me to fly Emax. This bad boy is no joke. So what I've been doing here is, you see I have a tree here, I've got 2 light poles. I often will fly around the field. As long as there's no cars here, I'll fly these 2 light poles all the way down. I'll circle back around, and sometimes I'll do a zigzag between the 2, circle here. I always make sure there's nobody walking or riding here. And then they have the goal post there. Sometimes I'll circle around the goal post as long as there's nobody in the field. The other thing that I like to do, since I'm recording in these Fat Shark goggles, is I like to do my flips and rolls over the field. So on occasion I'll have to go get my drone, but if I crash and I can't flip it over. But at any rate, and I've got video, my goggles. Let me check everything here. So I'm gonna walk over here underneath this tree and fly a little bit because it is hot. I'm gonna fly this one out right here, and hopefully you can hear me fine. Then I'll bring her back in a second. But I really need to drink some water. It feels funny because I'm over here and the drone is over there, but I'll see myself as I'm flying. Oops, again, forgot to. There we go. Recording's on. This actually may give me better video because I'm here too. And what I'll do is I can fly around myself as I'm coming toward myself. If there's somebody there, I'm gonna hit something, I'll hit me and not someone else. It's a wide turn. Going out back toward that goal. Yeah, my video seems to be a little bit better. Maybe it's because I'm actually facing in that direction. Whoa, almost hit that pole. Just flying figure 8s. To me, this is really good practice because it makes me get my turns better in both directions. And the occasional, do a flip without hitting the ground, which I'm doing a pretty good job at. I do a pretty good job at. I would go out toward the pool, but I need to turn that way. And since I'm not standing at my truck, it's hard for me with these goggles on to determine which direction I'm facing. I can see myself, so as I fly around myself, I could just fly in that direction, turn myself in that direction, looking at myself through the goggles, but I'm also standing on a bunch of rocks. The one thing I do not want to do is trip while I have this drone in the air. And I don't pinch when I'm flying. I use my thumbs. That may be part of the reason why I have a tendency to overcompensate for stuff.
RF signal low.
I did have to change my antenna. My original antenna broke. It said 19 megahertz on it. 915 megahertz on it. This one does not, but it is a, it's not a Radio Master. It is a, it is a Radio Master T16 antenna. I hear somebody else. I hear another car. So I need to find out where that car is at. But it's a T16 antenna. Where are you at, dude? But I still seem to, it doesn't, I have just as good a signal with this antenna as I did with the other one. At some point, I want to upgrade my antennas. And like I said, if I put TVS Tracer on this thing, if I can put Tracer on this, oh yeah. But I also I want to put Tracer, like I said, on the other drone I want to build. That's basically going to be a 3.5 inch cinema drone with a what's it going to say? With Tracer on it. I think that's what I'm going to say. Oh, forest drone. I was thinking about trying to make it 6S, but if it can handle 6S, then it's going to be great. But the biggest thing is I want to be able to get at least 5-minute flight times out of it. Okay, low battery, 6.6. Time to come back. If I don't hurry up and come back, that's the other thing. She will lose power and she won't be able to get back up. So bring her in slow. That's good.
RF signal low.
Now, I just need to make sure I get to it before any cars come by. Standing in the shade was much better. Hello, how you doing?
Telemetry lost.
Alrighty, we got a couple more batteries in here. And so, just wanted to share some thoughts with you. This is a very long video, so I'm not going to make it much longer than this, but hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm just going to fly some more, enjoy that, and that's pretty much it.